Hey there everybody, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're cooking dinner together. If you are new around here, hello and welcome. My name is Marissa. I'm a pharmacist and health coach, and here on my channel, I share lots of healthy recipes and simple and realistic ways for you to improve your health. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get cooking. It is 6:45 and I'm hungry. So tonight I'm going to be making some chicken burgers. I've got ground chicken here, and I'm also going to pair it with some sweet potato fries. So I think I'm gonna start with the sweet potato just because it's gonna take the longest to cook. And the chicken burgers, I've actually never made them before. So fingers crossed that it works out and that dinner is a success, but it's gonna be fun. I have a good feeling about this, and plus I'm filming this. You guys are gonna bring me luck, so let's go. So I am going to season my sweet potato fries with some onion powder, some garlic powder, some freshly ground black pepper, some paprika, a drizzle of avocado oil. And then I just mix that all together, make sure that all of the seasoning is evenly combined and on the sweet potato fries. And I actually don't like to salt them until they are finished cooking. I find that this helps them brown a lot easier, and it actually helps them cook a lot faster too. Now for my chicken burgers, I wanted to add in a lot of fresh herbs. I thought this would help just give them tremendous flavor, and it totally did. So I have some chives, I also have some fresh basil, as well as some fresh Italian flat leaf parsley. I rinsed the fresh herbs under some cold water, and I tried to do so pretty gently just because the fresh herbs are actually kind of delicate, especially the basil. And so then I just kind of collect them all in my hand and start chopping away. I try to make them pretty small because it's actually going to go into the chicken burger mixture or the meat mixture. And I found that this is actually like the easiest and fastest way to chop fresh herbs. For the burgers, I just cracked an egg in a large bowl, and then I added in my ground chicken meat, and then I added in the fresh herbs that we just chopped, along with some dried oregano and some of my homemade Italian style breadcrumbs. This recipe is actually in my brand new cookbook, which I will leave linked in the description box and in the comments section below. I like to use my hands to mix everything together, and when the meat forms kind of like a ball shape, you know that you are ready to go. And then I just set that off to the side by the stove until I'm ready to use it. And then the last few things I need to do is just to finish chopping up the rest of my burger toppings. So I have some red onion here. And this unbelievably gorgeous heirloom tomato. I saw it in the grocery store and I could not resist it. It was beautiful and it tasted so good. that everything is chopped and prepped and ready to go, I'm just going to heat up some avocado oil in my frying pan. I like to do this prior to adding the burgers in there, and the other pan is for the red onion because I'm going to saute those as well. So I'm just going to take a little bit of the meat mixture and form it into a burger shape in my hands. You can make them as large or as small as you like. You can make sliders. You can make them larger sized. I like mine to be kind of on the medium size. And whenever you're ready, you just put it in the frying pan and cook them up until they are golden brown on each side. And then I like to check on the sweet potatoes that are roasting in the oven about halfway through their cooking process, and I just like to flip them and make sure that they're getting golden brown on each side. Go ahead and flip your burgers once they start to look golden brown, and then after I flip them, I like to put a pot lid on top of them just to help them cook on the inside, and this avoids me using my spatula to like actually press them down to make sure that they're cooking. And then when my sweet potatoes were done, this is what they look like. And then as soon as they come out, I like to just add a little bit of salt right on top. Okay, I'm going to taste test the chicken burger just to see how it is. It's really good. It just needs a little bit of salt. I didn't add any salt. Maybe like add like a half a teaspoon of salt to the meat mixture before you cook it. And then we gotta taste test the French fry here too. So good. Another thing I have never tried is butter lettuce. So let's give this a whirl, shall we? Oh wow, that's really cute. Ooh, it's very delicate. And it comes with a root. That's really cute, okay. I'm assuming we just break off a piece. If I'm doing this wrong, please tell me in the comment section so I can learn. All right, I'm gonna just rinse these underwater really quickly. All right, you guys, it is taste test time. All my onions are falling out. Here we go. That is so good. But you know what? Hang on. It needs just a bit of ketchup. Okay. All right, let's try this again. All right, take two. Yep, there we got it. All right, you guys, so I'm gonna go and enjoy my dinner. If you liked this video, then please give it a big thumbs up. And if you would like to see more healthy recipes, then be sure to subscribe to my channel. I would absolutely love to have you join me here on YouTube. And also you can check out my brand new cookbook. I can't believe I'm saying those words. I have always dreamt of coming out with a cookbook, and I came out with one just a few days ago, and it is this one right here. It's available to shop on Amazon. I am so proud of this thing. I truly put my heart and soul into it. I will leave a link for it down below in the description box as well as in the pinned comment below. And with that, I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!